Yo, champion, Chef George here from the Georgia Live Cooking Show. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you how to make a hummus taco. And guess what today is? Today is Cinco de Mayo, and it's Taco Tuesday. So we got a double whammy on a boop. So guess what? Before we get started, I want you to hit the link below, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's get busy. So we already got stuff started. We're dicing up some tomatoes here, tricolor tomatoes. We got over here, we got some shredded lettuce. We have some mushrooms. We have some vegan sour cream. We obviously have the hummus. We have the vegan cheese, cheddar cheese, and we have the avocado. And we're just kind of just putting the final touches on this. We had already kind of started this before we went live. But we're just kind of having some fun, chopping up some tomatoes. And we're gonna have these, put this in here. Happy Cinco de Mayo to all my champions out there. So we're just kind of just having some fun, chopping up these tomatoes. A lot of lycopene in the tomatoes. And by the way, tomatoes are a fruit, if you didn't know. All kinds of tomatoes. Make sure you keep your fingers out the way. You want no accidents. I think I told you guys before about the mandolin accident when I was using the mandolin and my wife was like, "George, be careful." And as soon as she said, "George, be careful," I was using the mandolin and I went, and I was like, and I didn't want to look down at my thumb. And I took off a nice chunk of my thumb and I was like, oh man, my wife's like, cause you know, she's a nurse, she's like, let me see it. Let me see it. I'm like, no, I'm all right. No. We gotta go and you gotta go get a tetanus shot because the hummus salad with some romaine lettuce. So we're just gonna build it up. We're just gonna build them up. We're just gonna fill that in like that. You can see that with the hummus. We got room for one more. It's our homemade hummus. All right, so we got room for one more. So we're gonna go ahead and put him in there. Right in there. Put him right in there. It's gonna be good, y'all. That's gonna be delicious. And we don't leave nothing behind now. We gotta scrape that stuff off. You know, sometimes you be watching cooking shows and you see that this is just my pet peeve. This is my personal thing that I kind of like go like, what? When people be like chefs be, you know, making stuff and you get towards the end of it, and then they're like throwing all that food away. Like, scrape all that food out. You know, that's just me. That's just my mama saying, you better eat that food. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and start loading it on. So we're gonna put some lettuce. Put some lettuce on there. Got some romaine lettuce that we kind of chopped up there. Stack them over there. We get some more romaine lettuce. We just gonna make each one up. Right? That's number 2. You stay there until I come back now. This is number 3. This is gonna be nice, y'all. And I'll have a listing of all of the ingredients the amounts of ingredients that you're gonna be using. So now I'm gonna do the tomatoes. I'm gonna bring the tomatoes close to me. Let me close this drawer because that drawer, something might fall out of there. Something. I'm just kidding. So now we put the tomatoes on. Right. Now you could put the tomatoes on the inside. I just like putting the tomatoes on just to give it some more color. All right, put the avocado on there. A little avocado on there. Get up on there. Okay, now they want to be slick. They trying to fly off. They're trying to get off. They're trying to get up off here. All right, so here we go with the. Okay, here we go. I'm just trying to figure out why they trying to jump off the plate. Y'all need to behave yourself for real. All right, so what I need to do is turn him around. I think the weight of the cream cheese, vegan cream cheese, and then we're gonna sprinkle on some of Georgie's on there. Of course it wants to hang out over there, right? Boom, there we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. So now, we're gonna sprinkle some of Georgie's on there. Shake this up good. Sprinkle some of Georgie's on there. There you have it. A hummus taco for Taco Tuesday. Let me see if I can turn this around. See if I can turn this around without it falling. For Taco Tuesday, y'all. Hummus taco. Right there, look at that. Come on, Craig, show them down there. Show them over there. Show that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Y'all can see that? Taco Tuesday. Hummus taco. So I'm gonna put that down so my son can get a picture of that. And then we can go ahead. Awesome. And we always say you guys are awesome. And make sure you, look at that, look at that. Make sure you guys hit the link below, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know what you like best about this amazing recipe. And let us know how it tastes when you make it. All right, guys, so I'm Chef George from George's Live Cooking Show. You guys are awesome. God bless. Chef George out.